What's up, guys? It's Hot Wheels Tournaments, and today I have a very special video today. Today we are taking a look at the Hot Wheels Ultimate Super Treasure Hunt Chase. This is a special model released to celebrate 50 years of Hot Wheels. Here it is. It is the Bone Shaker. Now, just like with every Super Treasure Hunt release, there's a regular version that comes with it. This is it. It comes in a lighter blue. But let's go ahead and take a look at this 50th anniversary chase. It's going to be one of the most valuable Hot Wheels cars probably released this year, probably the most valuable. So as you can see, we got the Bone Shaker, as it says below there. It's part of the Hot Wheels 50th race team, celebrating the 50th anniversary of Hot Wheels. We got the 50th anniversary logo right there. And we got some different card art. Usually the card is white down here, but it's changed to a yellow to celebrate the 50th anniversary and the Ultimate Chase. So really cool card art. They even changed it up for the Ultimate Chase, which is super cool. Unfortunately, this card's got some damage, which is why I'm going to go ahead and open it. It's 1 of 10 in this subsection, the Hot Wheels 50th race team. It first appeared in L cases at the special Target Collector's Day event. So here it is, the Super Bone Shaker, the rarest car of the 2018 year, and probably one of the rarest mainline cars you'll ever see. So there's the regular version. Let's go ahead and open up this special Ultimate Chase. Avert your eyes if you're an on-card collector. Here it is, and oh boy, does it look good. So here we are. We have the mainline and the Ultimate Chase version of the 2015 Bone Shaker. So let's go ahead and compare the two cars. The first off and most obvious difference is the color. The Ultimate Chase is a nice dark metallic blue, while the regular version is a matte blue. And I'll just say it right now, I like both colors a lot. The dark metallic blue looks really good, but the matte blue I also really like a lot. I'm a big fan of matte colors, and the matte blue on the regular Bone Shaker here works really well. So both of them look really good in the colors they have respectively. Obviously, every Super Treasure Hunt, or in this case, Ultimate Chase, gets a metallic version of the regular color, and that's what we have here. So I like both colors. They both work really well for the cars they are on. I'll say it right now, this is my favorite version of the Bone Shaker I have. I have a couple versions of it. I don't have every version, but this is the best version that's been released so far. Both of them look fantastic, and I'm a huge fan. The second difference you'll notice is the wheels. Now, obviously, when you have a Super Treasure Hunt or Ultimate Chase, like I said in this case, you get rubber tires. So you can see on the regular Bone Shaker, we have the normal plastic tires that you see for mainline cars. And on the Super Treasure Hunt, we have some nice rubber tires with some treads. We have those two-piece wheels. And it looks like it's rocking some orange rims there. I thought they were red line rims at first, but no, they're orange rims. So, real quick, I want to talk about the regular version of the Bone Shaker because it looks really good. It has these special tires developed especially for Hot Wheels 50th anniversary. This is a new tire for this year, and it looks really good. You can see right there on the front wheel, on the bottom, it's got the 50th anniversary logo. So that's super sick. It's one of the coolest mainline tires I've seen, and I absolutely dig that. It's a really sweet look. Unfortunately, we don't get a rubber version of the 50th anniversary tire for this Bone Shaker, but I'm not going to complain too much because it still looks fantastic. So those are the tire differences. So, the next difference I notice is something I have never seen on a Super Treasure Hunt or Ultimate Chase or whatever you want to call it up until this point, and that is the cars have different interiors. They have a different piece. So for those of you that don't know, each Hot Wheels car is composed of 4 pieces for the most part. You have the die-cast body, which would be the blue part of these cars. You have the interior, which in this case, for the Bone Shaker, it makes up the seats and the engine. You have the base, which is obviously the bottom part of the car, the orange part in this case for the car, and then you have the window piece and the axles, or the chassis. You don't have a window piece in this car, so I believe it's only 3 pieces. You have the base or the chassis, the die-cast body, and the interior, no window piece. But I've never seen it where the die-cast or the super version and the mainline version of a car have different interiors. If you notice, On the regular version of the Bone Shaker, we just have a black interior and a black engine. But if you go and look at the Super, you'll notice we have a chrome interior and a chrome engine. And personally, I like the chrome a lot more. So with this car, I really like the wheels, I really like the body, but I'm not a big fan of that black interior. Because if you just look at the engine difference, the engine looks so good in chrome, especially when it's paired with that blue. It looks absolutely fantastic. You don't get that in this case. You don't get a chrome interior, so the engine looks a little weird. It looks a little out of place and not super realistic. Whereas in this case, the Bone Shaker looks absolutely fantastic. And for those of you that don't know, the Bone Shaker is a real-life car. Hot Wheels built a real-life Bone Shaker, and it looks absolutely fantastic. The other detractor is, if you look at the skull on the Bone Shaker, this one is black. It looks a lot cooler when the skull is in chrome. That chrome skull looks absolutely fantastic. So the chrome interior is definitely a win. And there is one last difference in the car that I can notice, and that is that the new Bone Shaker, the Ultimate Chase version, gets a special decal that the regular Bone Shaker does not. If you look on the hood of the car here, you'll notice that there's nothing. There's only side deco on this car. However, if you look at the Super Treasure Hunt version, you get the side deco, obviously, but you also get a nice little tampo on top. And I'm trying to figure out what that says. Oh, it says Ultimate Chase. So that is the Ultimate Chase logo. I don't see any Treasure Hunt logo. Most Super Treasure Hunts get a TH to represent that they're a Super Treasure Hunt. This one doesn't have a Super Treasure Hunt logo, rather it has the Ultimate Chase logo. So that's just one more thing that's going to make this car super valuable. So, I like both cars a lot. Like I said, this is my favorite version of the Bone Shaker. I really like the mainline version. The matte blue works really well. I really like the wheels. They look fantastic. The one detractor, like I said, is that it has a black interior. I wish that was chrome, but that's a small complaint overall. On a scale of 1 to 10 for this blue Bone Shaker, I will give it an 8 out of 10. Personally, the Bone Shaker is my favorite Hot Wheels generic. I don't collect most Hot Wheels generics, but when the Bone Shakers come out, especially the regular version of the Bone Shaker, I tend to buy it. Sometimes I don't, but I do have 3 or 4 in my collection, and I'm very happy with what I have. In terms of the Super, I'm usually not a fan of seeing generics as Super, but in terms of Hot Wheels celebrating its 50th anniversary with an Ultimate Chase, the Bone Shaker was the right choice, because it's just an iconic Hot Wheels model. It's Hot Wheels' iconic generic of this century. Earlier in its lifespan, Hot Wheels had Diora and Twin Mill, but more recently, the signature Hot Wheels generic has become the Bone Shaker because Hot Wheels is associated with those hot rods, with those flames. So absolutely fantastic version of the Bone Shaker. The Super Treasure Hunt version, I'm going to give a 9 out of 10. It gets a little bump because it does have that chrome interior. Other than that, I like both models pretty much equally. The chrome interior and the Ultimate Chase sticker add a little bit to the Bone Shaker, the Ultimate Chase Bone Shaker for me. But all in all, I'm not disappointed for this Super Treasure Hunt. I don't like generic Super Treasure Hunts or Ultimate Chases, but on this occasion, I will accept it. I think it's an absolutely fantastic version, and I'm a big fan of it. So that's all for now, guys. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you thought of this review. What do you think of the Ultimate Chase Bone Shaker? Do you like it? Do you not like it? Do you want one? Do you not want one? Do you want to see more Ultimate Chases? So that's all for now. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you all later. Peace.